Sony ZV-E10. This is the new camera. Hi guys, I'm Young and I'm using Sony ZV-E10. See, this is my current setup. And after several days of playing with it, I think this is the camera that I will recommend to any friend who might be thinking about starting YouTube, vlogging, etc. And I have 5 reasons why I think this is really the best camera for YouTube creation purpose. And before we go off to talk about it, I want to just let you know that I have the skin tone effect into mid and EV plus 0.3, which is my favorite setting. And the first reason is this camera ZV-E10 is price competitive. The body only price is going for $698 and with the kit lens, if you just stick on the kit lens, it's $100 more expensive at $798. Basically the total package, it is still cheaper than the current price for my a6400, which I usually use for YouTube purpose. And with this tiny kit lens, which still has zoom function, it is 16 to 50 millimeter. It does have OSS and also the f-stop is 3.5 to 5.6. And so far, I'm happy with this tiny kit lens. It really makes life easier, more lightweight, and then more travel friendly. I can't complain about the size. It's rather compact, but with Sony ZV-E10, you're not just limited to the kit lens. In fact, it's interchangeable, the camera kit. So basically, you can change it with any E-mount lens, E-mount Sony lens that you have, which I do have a few already. I have actually 3 other lenses because I am already a long-time user of Sony a6400 for my YouTube purpose. So I can just stick on my, Sigma 16mm lens, which I always use for indoor shooting of my YouTube videos, and also my massive zoom lens, which I like taking to my travel because I can really zoom in to faraway object and it looks beautiful. But I must say, even in the dark, the kit lens actually works totally fine. So I want to show you guys what it looks like under the dark, because right now, yes, I'm inside tunnel and light is just automatically adjusting. And it is rather dark, but I can see inside, and I do like filming my video in EV plus 0.3. So this is what you get under sort of indoor lighting or no lighting. And one thing about changing lens, you can also change with the camera battery. If you already have, Alpha 6000 series, I can use the same battery, although it is definitely not a powerful battery, but I can still use my 2 additional battery that I already have for Alpha 6400 into this new ZV-E10. And the third reason why I think this may be one of the most excellent option for you to consider about vlogging and YouTube is because it is really great option for vlogging too. So right now you can see that I have this sort of skin tone, the beauty effect on to mid-level. However, I will just change it, my face will be the guinea pig. Okay, right now not the most flattering angle because I don't have a lot of hands, so I just have it at the bottom. While it's recording, it shows the big red line, which is really super. So I can go into the function mode and then soft skin effect. Right now it's on mid and I can just change it into high. So right now I'm in the high mode. Does my skin look a lot softer? You tell me, because I don't know. I can see it on the display, but usually everything looks really nice on the camera display. And this is to low mode. So is it different from mid? I think I'm just gonna partition within this video so you guys can compare and see whether the soft skin effect is, the level is any different. But if you don't fancy soft skin, you can always turn it off, although I will always have it on. So this is no soft skin effect. What do you guys think? Does it make my skin look really bad? You guys tell me, but I must say, at least on the display, what Sony does quite well is, getting the skin look natural colored as well as looking actually rather nice. Don't you guys think? You guys tell me in the comment down below. So right now I'm back on the mid skin tone effect, and other things that are very useful for vlogging with Sony camera. Sony camera is always great for face recognition. It's right on the focus, and also the steady shot. it's rather workable. I mean, it's not like the smoothest with 3-axis gimbal and so on. However, I think, you can walk gently with it. And if you opt for the $798 package with the kit lens, I must say is workable, at arm's length. And the final point about great for vlogging, with this mic shield, it sort of cuts out the wind noise and outside noise. And this is the angle that you get with the kit lens, fully zoomed out. But of course, if you zoom right in, okay, that's too much. And the fourth reason why I think this Sony ZV-E10 is a great camera for YouTube and for, general creative purpose is because it seems like Sony has really listened to the needs of creators by completely revamping on the buttons. So here you guys can see the massive record button and also the shutter button still there with the zoom in and out. And also there is a button that can change from picture, video, and S&Q, which is set for slow motion. Really great for B-rolls that you want to put into your vlog. And also C1 button, which is set for defocusing, etc. And that's great for defocusing your face. And also with the swivel design of the screen, if I want to get stuff focused, I can just touch screen on the screen. For example, I want to focus on the tree trunk. And yeah, there you are. Then I want to focus back onto my face, and here I am. And at the back button, you can see in the trash button, there is the object setting button, the object focusing button. So for example, if I want to show you my watch, is it quicker? I don't know. So I'm just going to quickly turn it off to see whether there is any difference. So now the product showcase is off. Actually, it's pretty quick still. So I'm not sure. I just wanted to show you the meerkat. It's so cute. As a creator, I use the mic jack the most, and it's separate from other, USB jack. And I think that's very, very thoughtful. So I only open the slot that I need to use. The rest are protected by the plastic. And the fifth point that I like about this camera is that it is light. Probably the lightest camera out there in the Sony Alpha range. So the main body is only weighing 343 grams, whereas my existing Alpha 6400, it already weighs 403 grams. And with vlogging, with YouTube, it's always best to have the lightest camera out there because you don't want to do heavy lifting, and my arm is certainly not that strong. But for most of this video, I have been hand holding this camera with the kit lens and also with the Sony, this tripod. I'm gonna have the model name down here because it is rather complicated. But with the tripod, I think it can be slightly longer. But I want to thank Sony for providing, creators with another option that is cheaper, that is lighter, and with buttons that are so creator friendly. And also thank you for lending me the camera to review for this video. And if you liked my video, then please don't forget to like the video, and also don't forget to subscribe to my channel because in September I do have plenty of new gadgets that I am testing out right now. So I will see you.